Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Chain Together game on your PC. Guys, first open up the any browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website will appear on the top, so just open it. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on that. And now here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create one. Guys, first you created the account, then click on the Start Steam option you are seeing on the top. And now here, just download the Steam and install it into your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy process. After that, just open up the Steam, log into your account you recently created. Then click on the top search box and just type here the Chain Together. And guys, this game will appear on the top, so just open up the Chain Together game. And now here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. So just click on that option of add to cart. Now here just click on the option of view my card. Then here click on the option of continue to payment. Guys, here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have, and once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Now click on the library on the top, and on the left hand side you will find this game which is the Chain Together. Click on that, then click on install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.